Okay, welcome to another video. We are now doing algebraically solving linear equations, and these are difficult questions. Let's start solving them. For x is less than 8, x is less than 2, and minus 3 for x is greater than minus 3 over 4 and less than 2. Okay, then when you have, okay, so with modulus inequalities, the simple idea is that you have two possibilities. When you remove the modulus, one with a plus and one is with a minus, but when you put a minus, remember to flip the inequality. So 5x is greater than or equals to minus 4 and x is greater than or equals to minus 4 over 5. 5x is less than or equals to 20 and x is less than or equals to 4. So that should be my final answer. Okay. Moving on, 2 times 3x minus 1 minus 5x is equals to 7 minus 8x minus 4. So 6x minus 2 minus 5x equals to 7 minus 8x minus 4. 9x is equals to 5, 5 over 9. That should be the answer. Okay, solve the inequality below and provide the solution to the inequality. That sounds like a tough question. Let's do this. I'm expanding the brackets. Okay, let's see what we get. 3 over 2 plus 2t is less than or equals to 2 minus 3t minus half minus 5 over 2t. Let's gather the t's on one side. 2t plus 3t plus 5 over 2t. 2 minus half minus 3 over 2 is less than or equals to 0. Yeah, so whatever the number here should be less than or equals to 0. I think that should work. Yes. The next question is 3x is less than 15 plus x. So 3x minus x is less than 15. So 2x is less than 15. X is less than 7.5. So 7 should be the right answer. Positive prime number. Okay, Emma is moving because she got a new job. Her salary will be 5625 rupees per month. Emma's monthly income must be at least 3 times the rent for her to be able to rent a flat. What is the maximum rent she can afford? Okay, so 3 times this. I think that looks like a simple question. Uh, Emma's moving because she got a new job. Her salary will be this per month. Emma's monthly income must be at least 3 times. Oh, monthly income must be at least 3 times. Divide by 3. So her rent could be a maximum of 1875 for her to move. This has to be divided, not multiplied. Okay, solving this inequality looks fine. X is less than 7. So that's fine. Easy question. 3x minus x minus 2 is greater than or equals to 0. So 2x is greater than or equals to 2. X is greater than or equals to 1. Okay. 10x minus 15 minus 3x minus 12 equals to 2x minus 2 plus 7. 5x minus 2 plus 7 plus 15 plus 12. 5x is equals to 10, 25, 30, 2x is equals to 32 over 5. Okay. Solve the inequality below, provide the solution. So 4 times z plus 8 minus 1 is greater than 5 minus 28 plus 7z. 7 minus 5 plus 28 is greater than 3z. Z is 30 divided by 3. Z is less than 10. Okay, z is less than 10 and goes to infinity. And see how many solutions are greater than 11. There are no solutions that are greater than 11. So 10 and goes to minus infinity. That should be the correct answer. That brings us to the end of the difficult questions for this part of the syllabus. I will be back with another video. Thank you for watching.